Hello, dear angels. Good day. You are welcome to today's online class. Today we'll be looking at the literature aspect of our literacy. And before looking at the literature aspect, just like other time, we've been reading our literature test. You remember the title? Akin's Naughty Chicken. So today, we are not going to be reading from our text, but rather we are going to be looking at what literature is. Literature. That literature you've been hearing about, what is it? Literature, angels, is a creative or an artistic written or sometimes spoken words which have lasting value. Which have lasting value. Which have lasting value. Now, when we talk about literature, literature helps us to know about the culture of people. It helps us to know about what is happening, what has happened, and what is going on in other culture. Is that taken? Literature can be either in spoken or in written form. Is that taken, dear angels? So when you are asked what literature is, you kindly say literature has to do with what? Creative or artistic writing. It has to do with what? Creative or artistic written or sometimes spoken words. Is that taken? Which has lasting value. That means it teaches us morals. It teaches us how to respect and other things. Is that taken, angels? So literature is a creative or an artistic written or spoken words which have lasting values. Is that taken, angels? Yes. So with this definition, we are going to proceed by looking at the importance of literature. What are the importance of literature? Importance of literature is that it helps us to learn new words. Is that taken, angels? When you are reading literature text, you learn new words. You learn new spellings, new words, and not only that, it also helps us to learn correct sentence pattern. That means it helps you to know how to make your sentences correctly. Is that taken, angels? It helps you to know how sentences are being constructed correctly. Is that taken? Another thing or another importance of literature is that it boosts our creativity. That means it helps you to be able to create. To do what? To create. Is that taken, angels? It helps you to be able to create other stories for other angels to read. It helps you to be able to make simple sentences for other people to read and learn. It also helps one to develop thinking skill. It helps one to develop what? Thinking skill. That means when you are reading literature, you will think wide. You not only think about what to eat, you not only think about your classroom, you think about other things that you can do that people can benefit from. Is that taken? So, dear angels, make sure you don't only read just one book. Read a lot of literature text, read a lot of literature book, and you will learn many other things. Is that taken? So, read this literature text and get new words, develop those words, and use them in sentences. Is that taken? Thank you very much, angels. And I believe that today